mom is currently in Atlanta, and I told her, I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna go out in the snow, and she was like, all right, well, be careful. My grandmother's here, and she's a little more hesitant for it, but it's still, the snow's still coming down pretty hard. So we're gonna see what the fuck happens. Let's bring this back, get some momentum. If I do go down, the snow will cushion my fall. At least I think so. That makes sense. I don't plan to go down though, but I'm not ruling it out. Wow, that happened like... This isn't as easy as I thought it would be. I didn't think it would be easy, but... Oh boy. Huh. I already did this little shovel for my dog to come out, take a piss and shit, but didn't want to open its butthole to the outside world. People wondering, I'm on a WR 250R. I have Enduro tires on, so they're not like dirt, even dirt tires, let alone snow tires. God, snow is so fucking deep. Well, what if it snows? What are you gonna do then? I'm gonna fucking ride my bike. What do you think I was gonna do? Snow is just a thing that, it's a conspiracy, you see. Fucking snow is something that the government created because they hate people who ride. I think I'm gonna take some layers off, try to shovel my way out. We're going out, guys, it's gonna fucking happen. Probably should have shoveled it first, but I thought that I had to at least try, you know? I'm kind of glad I got stuck here rather than somewhere else. That would have really sucked. So, you saw it was snowing out, yeah. And you went and rode your dirt bike? Yeah. Well, why the fuck would you do that, dumbass? I don't know. Why the fuck not? Don't be a pussy. Nothing more exciting than fucking shovel vlogging. Or, oh yeah, 4x4 truck. My grandpa once told me a story. He said one time I spent $2,000–3,000 on snow removal equipment and it didn't snow for 3 years. Worst $3 grand he ever spent. It taught him something. Don't fuck with Mother Nature. Maybe I should have thought about that before I tried this. I should get my dog out here. Just tell her to run. Let's just try to create a path. I'll just walk out here. It'll be better than nothing. Alright guys, it's actually a while longer than when I last saw you guys. About an hour later. I wasn't gonna go out, but I saw a guy on an ATV out there. I understand ATVs are better for snow, but dude, he got me so hype. I was like, fuck it. Throw the garage down. Let's go, boys. I'll do my best to keep the camera nice and clean. Hell yeah! Oh god, I'm gonna have to put my help. Oh god, this is ridiculous. My goggles were fogging up, but I have to put them on. I can't see shit. I really need to figure out a better solution with this goggle situation. You'll have to do. Hell yeah! Oh god. How are you? Good. Oh God. Oh God, guys, I don't know if you guys can see shit, but it is fucking crazy right now. Only gone down once. My traction is complete like shit. I don't give a shit though, this is fun as hell. Oh God, it feels like I'm doing a rolling burnout. Traction is just like zip. Fucking tricky, but super fun. Oh shit, oh God, oh shit, oh yeah, this is so fucking fun. Damn! I've kind of accepted the fact that I've absolutely no traction. Oh my God! Are you fucking serious? Shit! Officially, guys, drop my bike for the first time.